Well, in this video, I'm going to attempt to record the road noise of the 2014 Toyota Highlander Limited Platinum. Right now, we are at a stoplight, so there's probably no road noise whatsoever. And we're going to go through a regular street before we enter the highway. So this is probably, you don't want to try this at home. It might be a little bit too dangerous to be holding a camera on one hand and recording on the other hand, but I'm probably just going to record the speedometer and not the road to prevent it from being too dangerous. So right now I'm going on the regular street, and it's a little road noise, tire to road, but it's very quiet. A little bit rougher road, so there's some tire road to the road there, tire noise to the road there. And then I'm about to turn to the freeway. Turning to the freeway entrance. So let's see if we can get some crosswind road noise here for to show up. So I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a slight wind noise at the top of the driver's side windshield. We're at about 62 mile per hour. And there's some crosswind, slight crosswind noise. It's not too bad. Did you hear that? This is right. I'm not even putting it up to the driver's side glass here. So it's on and off. It's not on all the time, the wind noise, that is. So overall it's pretty quiet. To the window, you can hear some crosswind noise. Now I'm going to U-turn around. motorcycle going by, but you can probably differentiate between the wind noise and the motorcycle noise. So at around I'm going to try to speed up here to see if it will increase that noise. You can see the wind noise is a little bit more as we drive faster. That's pretty much it. I'm going to be exiting right now.